Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's time for part 2 of the cabin chair. Well, it's been a few days since I've been out here and filmed anything. I was talking to my dad, I don't know, it was a few days ago, and he thought that he almost had the chair done, but when he would sit in it, those back three, the oak pieces in the center there that go up, something was uncomfortable. The one I think was kind of pushing forward and poking him in the back. So he actually went ahead and changed them and repositioned them. I don't know if he used different logs or not. I think they're the same ones, just repositioned them. I see up here now he has wrapped this top part here with leather straps. I've been out here a few times, and every time, like today, it smells like varnish. And actually, if I touch it, it's a little bit tacky. So now I think he's just mainly been putting coats of varnish on this. I see he put a piece of aromatic cedar in the center, and he's got his AJ signature that he puts on everything on it. This bottom piece of wild black cherry turned out just awesome. The more varnish he puts on there, the nicer that looks. I just love that kind of wood. And I see he's got some kind of idea going over here. Haven't talked to him about this one yet. He texted me just a little while ago and said not to start the stove tomorrow morning because he's not going to be coming out. He has something else to do. I'm pretty sure that that chair project is getting close to being done right now. But I thought I'd better get out here and start filming as soon as I saw that. I'll be back out here in a couple days to take a look at the progress. Well, it's been a few days since I've been here. I just got back to the hobby farmhouse, and I see my dad's out here, so let's see what he's doing. Oh, that table thing?
Yeah.
I seen it when I come in here before. Oh, I see you got it glued now.
I have it all. I put this on the back because this is the front.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
If you push on it,
right.
There was all that hole, a little bit of glue, and so I thought I'd varnish them into it and put that that'll.
You know, it had the perfect
slingshot. Yeah.
You know, I put it right in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, once that's all dry now, that's not going to go anywhere.
No. Yeah, I'll just fill up my truck. I don't know if he'll have me partly drugged, see. That's why I can't.
Right, right, and plus I've driven it so many times
right.
that, yeah.
And then, when this is over, you know, they'll tell everything. You know?
Yeah, that'll be good to get that done with, so. Okay, everyone, well, it's been a couple of days since I've been out here. I just poked my head into the workshop, and my dad has definitely made some progress. When I was out here talking to him last time, he said the chair is pretty much done. I think he's going to put a totally different cushion on here, one that's more fastened to it all the time. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But the table that's going to sit next to it is really starting to look cool. There's a chance here that I'm going to be home tomorrow because the weather's going to be kind of crappy. So if my dad comes out, I'll come out here again and I'll talk to him and see what his plan is here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. everyone, I'm back out here in the workshop tonight. My dad was out here earlier today, and the wood box totally was out of wood, so I decided to bring in a bunch of loads here. I see my dad took the top off of the table here. Yesterday, or whenever I was out here last, he did not have that bottom piece glued in there. So I see he's got that glued in. And this thing here is sitting, I think he said that he put another coat of varnish on or something. I need to look at my text and see exactly what it is that he said. He says, I will start stove in the morning. I will bring firewood in. I did it for him. So, not sure what time I will be here. I have a coat of varnish on, but we'll sand it to get the glue off. Looks bad now. It'll get better. Oh, that's what he was talking about. So just down here where he glued it, he still has to sand that glue off of there. You can see right here what he's talking about. So he'll just sand that out, and it'll look really nice. I'm going to leave right from work to go up to the farmhouse tomorrow, so I won't be out here to see anything until Sunday afternoon, but we'll definitely come back and take a look then. Well, I'm back out here in the workshop. I just started the stove maybe an hour ago for my dad. Just put some more wood in right now. The chair itself, the build is complete. I see he's got the foam here that's going to go for the seat cushion. And he has the stuff right there that he's going to cover it with. So I think that's the last thing that has to be done on the Rustic Cabin chair. The table that's going to go along with it, that is almost complete also. I see he's got it sitting here drying because he was out here varnishing yesterday on it. And he decided on the bottom part of that piece of wood that's going to kind of hold it up or keep it from tipping. He went ahead and he put sawdust on the top of it so it looks like it's covered in like sand. And then he's got that rock there like you saw before, and that's just for added weight, so when it gets really windy out, it doesn't blow over. And I think this needs some more coats of varnish, but he's just about finished with it. I'm just a couple days away from heading to Louisiana, so I'm sure he'll be out here today. Tomorrow he said he had a dentist appointment. And he'll probably be out here today, and I will come out here and film again. And that'll be it for a few weeks out here in the workshop. Well, everyone, I'm back out here in the workshop. Earlier today my dad was out here and I came out here and talked to him for a while.
Here.
Oh, and then
there's foam.
You might have to put the foam up and over that so the back of you doesn't hit. Oh no, you'll be above it. So.
Yeah, well, see, I never thought if I cut it to be silicone things. under here all over. It'd still be sturdy enough.
You can get the ones that are like 1.5 inches big. You know, they make,
But,
yeah, but it all went together really nice.
and it'll fit up to there, you know.
Yeah, it'll work really nice up there.
Yeah. And then I put that stone just so. I don't know whose stone that was.
Where was it?
It's been sitting for years, right on that shadow. This down 1/4 inch.
The whole, you mean the logs on the outside?
Yeah, that way.
As far as the chair goes, he's almost complete now. You can see he's putting the cushion thing here on the top. So he's just about got it, and then this chair will be totally finished. And this table here, which if I would have known, I could have done a whole separate video on this if I would have filmed differently, but this is completely finished now also. And that is looking really nice. He just got the final coats of varnish on this. And you can see how he did this, since this table is going to sit outside, you know, most of the time except for in the winter. So, you know, it'll be underneath an overhang, but at the same time, when the wind is blowing and it's raining, it's going to get wet. So he left spaces, see that, between the logs, so the water and stuff can just run through. I know I just filmed this the last time I was out, and it looked about like this. All he did was put varnish on it today. But since this project is totally complete, I wanted to show it to you one more time. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'm going to have to end this video right now, even though he only has a day or two and this thing will be finished. And I'll have to pick it up when I get back, because tomorrow I'm going to head up to the farmhouse for a couple of days, and then I'm doing the long drive all the way down to southern Louisiana. So my next Joe and Zach survival videos might be me catching catfish on the catfish lines. I'm not really sure. I know I'll be posting videos on northern seclusion of everything that's going on with the house. I just was in contact with the drywall company that's going to come out and finish hanging the little bit of drywall there is, and then get it all taped and the ceilings scraped down and taped smooth and everything, and then I'll come in and do the trimming and everything else. I will see you guys on the next video.